You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this beautiful country in Africa. If you want to learn more country names, the name of the capital city, and how it's pronounced of this country, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English as Zimbabwe. Let's break it down. I wrote the phonetic spelling for you on your screen. Zimbabwe. Stress on that bab syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Zimbabwe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.